Oh, do not skip any part of this video. Like
YouTube channel. This is me, Greasy, your subscriber.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, I'm a mind that's you the dog, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble.
Eva, baby, bold and beautiful, and anything you want, say I'ma give you thanks to. Beauty with the brain.
hey babies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Eva, aka Goddess of Self-Love, aka Nigerian Doll. Please don't leave without subscribing. I'm glad you found me. Okay, today is Monday. Alexa, what day is it?
It's Monday, November 21st.
Yeah.
By the way, you can also ask me, what happened today in history?
Okay, November 21st, and I'm still amazed as to how fast this November went by. Okay, today I just want to get in some arm workouts, okay, and do some yoga. And I always do batch creating, okay. I create in bulk, so I'm gonna do content, a lot of reels, and a sit-down video for YouTube. And I'm gonna see you, okay? Oh, do not skip any part of this video. Like, I made the vlog shorter for you guys, just so you can enjoy it, and so you won't complain that it's long, okay? So, watch till the end, okay?
7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18, 19, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Rest time. 2, 3,
Fuck.
4, 5,
Shit.
6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey babies, welcome back to the channel. Annie and I, we're gonna go to the arts and craft market, and we got a tape because I'm trying to record how many inches the mat is going to be.
4 feet.
I think it's 4x7 or 4x8. This is just smart. 4 by. It's custom, baby.
So 4 feet by 7.
4x7 is not bad. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, and me and Annie, we're gonna go to the arts and craft market. Every day Tuesday, let's go. Today we said we'll just go, you know. So yeah, we're just gonna go. We ordered city subs, and we just wanna go pick it up. And carry water.
Water.
Yeah, no, I didn't bring water. So yeah, we're gonna go, because why should we order drink when we're already eating stuff that is unhealthy? We ordered, don't worry, we'll show you. See you. How much is it?
That's 8,000 naira.
Okay. Hey, don't worry. Oh my purse. That's why I hate wearing this pouch. You know me. Guys, we're gonna do a mini mukbang. Let's see how this thing tastes. I used to order for them from like 2 years ago, but they rebranded. So let's taste it and see. Let's take the first bite. Girl. I just knew this one was meant to be better. God. God. If you're not careful, you might get addicted to this shit. I know. To the right now. Yeah. This journey has been so annoying. Bruh, it's been so long I came here. Hello. Do you have mats? With this type of
Something like this.
yeah, I do. It's a potted plant.
For plants, yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't want.
Okay, this is the thing this is the thing Annie was looking for.
Yoruba girl, so I feel to buy them for my village.
But this size is better
Yeah,
now.
it makes sense. So you
Def-
put your rug on it. So
Yeah.
I think it will make sense if you
Yeah.
put your rug on it.
Oh, my grandfather had this thing in his. This is giving me
You
very
okay?
much nostalgia.
Should it be you and house now?
Ibra!
Okay, I think this is the one that you're actually looking for.
Ibra!
Yeah, but is it not too colorful, babe? But you understand, like I like that one, babe. I won't lie. I like the other one.
Okay.
But for longevity, this looks more stronger, right? Yeah, who they here, beg? The person said, "Come." Hello, we want the vase. That bottle where they there. So cute.
I'll buy this and the green. Okay, it's not even black. I think I
That's
want
what
this.
babe
Go
will
with
see and say that we are.
my sofa.
Yeah. It's tall though. It's taller than I thought it was.
But I feel it's too short for my bedroom because I want one more step in it.
No.
It's the same step. It's the
One
same.
is just bigger,
It's the same.
but one is wider. Can you see? The other one is wider. It's wider. It's definitely wider. See? It is. And I don't like the shape of this one. It bend.
I will
Maybe-
come this one.
Okay. A bottle she need for the kind thing where she want do. Okay, so Annie and we're almost rounding up. I got this trash for my trash can. It's supposed to be 500 now.
No, not be 250.
Now how much?
I like this one, but it's too big.
I give it 800.
Why? How much we come by the
She
big
be
one?
only the-
This
It's too. No.
this will not be wood though.
Now let's see.
only
This
take-
one na wood now.
Let me see.
This
That
one na
no,
wood.
It's too expensive.
Okay, it will not be wood.
I will not even- You dey see me dey enter motor, they ask me if I need bike. You dey whine? You dey whine? You dey whine? Give me water now. We're on our way home, but we just realized there is freaking fuel scarcity. Like, how mental is this? Like, it's Christmas, y'all. How are we supposed to be dealing with this now? This don't make no sense. Anyway, enjoy the view of Nigeria while you can. So obsessed with this mat, and I just like that it, served its purpose. So yeah, these are the rest of the stuff I got. Hang on, I think I'm gonna show you everything. I got this basket because I have a table in my bedroom where I put like my waist trainer and stuff, my hot comb too. So I didn't like that it's open, so I'm just going to put everything in there and get it covered. I got this for when I'm not in the mood to like get a tray. I got this one for spoons, and this is trash, and this is like a chopping board, and this is like a basket for the, I don't know, the bathroom. Yeah, so this is also one of my fave. I already had one there, if you guys can see, but this is more crystal clear than that one. I can't get over how this carpet matches the couch, by the way. These are dummy tulips. Actually, I'm going to put a pampas grass here, but in the meantime, let me put this baby, you guys. Oh, okay. I don't know, but well, guys, I went to change my nail design because the chrome and the nail was coming off, and I absolutely love it. The other finger has a separate design as well. I don't even know which finger I prefer, but it's so cute. Guys, I don't have anything to say, I just want you all to see my face. The agenda of the day isn't much, but I have date night with Pudding later tonight, so I will see you guys later. For the Meta event. I'm in low spirits, and I hope I feel better when I get there. This event was supposed to start like 8, and I know I'm very late. My top is from Julian Moses. Yeah, so guys, I'm so late to this thing, and I'm just here thinking, like, why did I not drive? Annoying. And like, hi. Hi, good evening.
Are these the end?
Yes.
Level up. That's so cute to my mind.
Thank you.
When I tried to be yours, she said don't stress it. Ooh, she's reckless. Cause I did to get you, yeah. When it comes to the one, I tried to help you, and I tried to beg you, and I tried to let you. She said no, no fighting. My bestie, she's righteous. I got it, baby, you tell me and then we jam. I figured she was born again. Oh, but I think I lost my friend. That way, the shop, baby, you got something in.
All right, guys. Ira Star's about to come up on stage.
You just
Let us do our best, guys. She's just taking me back to memory lane. This was my junior in school, and this is so cute.
I joined the dance group because of her. She used to be a badass dancer.
Tell them, boo.
In case you don't know, she used to be a badass. It's like
Oh my
Ciara
God.
giving.
This was so cute. Guys, I'm just waiting for Uber to get here so I can move because I don't know why I didn't drive. I didn't even realize it was so close to where we are. But yeah, it was fun. It got 1 hour. It was lit. I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Guys, I just got food from Red Gourmet. I'm so stressed out. Meanwhile, I received an invite for the Margarita Festival at Lagos. Let's see what's in it. Hi, friend. Love it. We have a margarita cocktail. Ooh, what's in here? This is so cute. They have popcorn. Oh, I love munches so much. Thank you, Frederick PR. I love this so much. I can't wait to be there. I'm currently on DHE
So this is
class.
Final Cut Pro that I use to edit. You can also do this on your phone. I'm going to show
Your live. Hi to your YouTube channel. This is me greeting your subscribers. Yeah, so good night, everybody. I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye.
Booyah, booyah. Blowing all the trumpets, roll out the carpets and let the choir sing before I introduce you, baby. Eva, baby, bold and beautiful. And anything you want, say I must give you thanks to. Beauty with the brain, no one do it like you. You got